Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Writing Automation Scripts. In this episode, we are going to be looking at this drop-down menus and whatnot, and just messing around with selects. I'm going to be using Playwright in this one, and yeah, so this is just like a little simple demo here. You can click on here the author and some kind of tag. You can hit search, and it will give you some results. So let's open up Automize by hitting F12, clicking Automize here. And let's find this select. So I'm guessing it's just going to get it by name, which is correct, but also we want to choose Playwright here. If you notice, there is no select in Automize. That's because it's a little trickier than that. I mean, it's basically just select, but I'll show you what I mean in a second here. So in here, we have our page dot locator, right? And all we really need to do is just do select option, and then we can type in, select option, and then we can just type in, whatever we want. So in this case, we could do Thomas A. Edison, but for this demo, I don't really want to type in this. I just want to get a list of all my possible options, right? So here are all those. So let's get those by actually, I think the easiest way would be if we did name and then we did option, 49 other options. So this is exactly what I want. So I am going to copy this. We want the value too. So we can, I'll just get the value from here. And I'm going to copy this. Okay. So this isn't exactly right. So this would be let authors is going to equal this, right? And this would be name author option. We're going to do dot all. Okay. Then, just like before, for let I is equal to 0. Whoops. I is less than authors dot length. I plus plus. So this is one author. Let's do A is equal to authors I. And then let's do let values is equal to this. Let's do values push. This would be our a dot input value. Okay, so this will give us a list of all of our possible values. Let's just log them out to make sure that works correctly. And why don't we actually just do this 0? So we'll just pick the first one, and we'll see what that looks like. So I'll add a delay before we run this so we can see the final output. Okay, I'm back. So I added this promise await thing so that we can see what the final result looks like, and then I'm printing out our values. I also updated our URL here. So when I run this, okay, well, you can see I ran it before, but so there it goes. It prints out all of our options. So that is good. So I'll close this. We'll cancel this out. We can just pick a random one this time. We'll just do values. We'll do math.random. We'll do floor. Do math.random times the length. So values.length. Okay. And this will just select a random option. Okay. And let's run that to see that it works correctly. So here's this. It looks like we got Suzanne Collins, which is somewhere in the middle. And then once that's selected, the tags update, right? So that's kind of why I wanted to do this like dynamically, so that it would just pick like, I don't know, a random tag basically. And also this is empty, so we can do kind of the same thing we did before. We can just start at 1 and kind of just ignore the first one. So we're going to select the author. Okay, and then we're going to do basically the exact same thing for the tag. So let's head back to Automize. Let us open that up and come here. Click on this, and we'll do this tag. Yep, I'm just going to copy this. Pretty much everything is going to be the exact same. So let tags is equal to this. We're going to do that dot all, just like before. Add the await, just like before, right? Run through here. So tag values. Okay, that's empty. We're going to loop through all of our tags. Ignore the first one because remember that's empty. Let's just make that T. We're going to get the value. Let's check. Okay, whoops, this one has nothing, but we do this. It looks like a value. That's good. Okay, so we're going to put that on there. And then lastly, let's select the tag, okay, just by entering it in here. Okay, name dot tag. We'll copy that, put this here. Gonna wait that, and we'll do the same thing we did here, except this is gonna be tag values. Okay, so this will be a random tag, and then lastly, we just need to push that search button. So we'll do this. So hopefully you can see how much Automize is helping me out here. I basically never have to worry about the selector, and it all just kind of plugs in. So if we run this, okay, we're gonna see here. Whoops! Oh, I see it. Closed. Option 0. We got objects. It instead it is undefined. So where is that coming from? 1 second. Okay, so one of the issues was this was not the letter T, which would correspond to this. The other thing is it makes a network request when we select the option. Just kind of lazily, I added a 1 second delay here, but you could wait for that network request to happen. But we'll worry about that in a different video. So when we run it, we see here, pick a random one, Jim Henson, humor, search, boom, there's your answer. And here we can run it again. I'll show you it is in fact random. Here we go, Martin Luther King, inspirational, boom, there it is. You can do hope, it's probably the same one, yep. Yeah, so hopefully that kind of clears things up around selects. Yeah, hope you enjoyed watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. If you have any video ideas, comments, or features for Automize, leave those in the comments. And I'll try to respond to every single one of you. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.